How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas sweater, okay? We're going to add a little bit of color into it as well. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, so if you're a complete beginner, this is pretty much the place to be. Um, yeah, let's walk through it step by step. It's only going to be about an 8-minute video, so stay with me all the way to the very end. Alright, so before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe. This is a Christmas and Halloween channel, mostly Halloween, but a lot of Christmas as well. It's a seasonal channel, so when you press subscribe and then click the bell notification, when next year rolls around, Halloween, you're going to start seeing how to draw Halloween videos on your feed every now and then you'll see Christmas videos and Christmas time pop up on your video feed. Thank you. Let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve around the top. Curve around the corner here, in. Curve around the corner here, in. So we're doing like the shell, the what do you got, like almost like the turtleneck kind of thing going on. Line over here. Curve underneath. Over here to the shoulder area. Over here to this shoulder area. Curve down. Because the sweater's not going to be on anybody, right? We're just going to have like the Christmas sweater out here. Curve over here down. Sure, this is a little longer than that one, so let me extend it a little bit. Go over here in this area, on the torso. Downward, over here. Downward. Curve underneath. Around. For the bottom of the waist. Down right here, down right here. For that like waistband they have, like, you know, around like it's a Christmas sweater. And is that a sweater? Yeah, like sweatshirt something. Wait, it is like a sweatshirt, I think, right? Are there differences? I know there's differences. But let's put a sweater. Curve over here for the bottom of the arm area. And then curve over here as well. Right out to the arm. Don't forget to hit the like. Likes are what the channel grows on. Basically, the likes the fuel to the fire. But yeah, if you do like it though, please hit the like. It helps the algorithm out, and it definitely helps the channel out in turn. Curve around here to connect. Curve around here to connect. Down, curve up for the waistband, down, curve up for the waistband. Sorry, there's like a little stretchy, the wristband. There you go. Kind of end of that. I'm gonna throw 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I don't know why I'm counting them, but just throw lines here along the bands that shows they tighten up, right? Same thing over here for this turtleneck thing. The lines are thinner, like they're thinner than the outside lines. And as far as like the design, let's just do a stripe across here, stripe across here. Let's do another one over here. And some maybe over here. Here. I'm gonna draw like, let's say like a snowflake shape or something, like a little cloud, something Christmassy, right? And we're going to draw that across here. Like snow. Just across to kind of show that design. Over here. Over here. And over here. You can kind of put those wherever you want. Or you can actually just put circles as well, but I wanted to make it look a little more festive. Throw a little bit of color in here. Nothing too wild. I'm going to throw a green over the large areas. The largest areas, I'm going to throw green. You can color this in anything you like. You can use a colored pencil. You can. I actually recommend colored pencil the most. A marker is fast though, so if you want to get it down like quickly, do marker. And I use these, the Crayolas, for the black. And then because they're so inexpensive, and I use the black constantly. Prismacolor is better for the color because it doesn't smear the black as it runs into it. And you're gonna find that with Crayolas, they will smear. Like they'll smear the black lines if they run into them. It's really frustrating. So that's why I recommend Prismacolor the most. I'll put the link in the description. I don't think they're that. I don't think Prismacolor is very expensive, to be honest. I'll give you a comparison. This one, the Crayolas, they're cheap, right? You can buy this whole thing for like $1, like the whole set or something, right? Of all, like every color, for $1 or $2 or something. I don't know. And then I know for Prismacolor, this one marker, just this marker, is $3, which I know sounds like a lot, and it is a lot more, but honestly, it's really worth it because it doesn't smear the black. It really is frustrating when marker does smear it. So, and I actually don't. I think relatively, it's not that much. $3 for a marker is not that wild. I don't think. I guess when you buy the giant sets though of Prismacolors, that's where it starts to get pricey. But if you just get the select ones that you need, you know, like blue, red, different kinds of blue. I think almost red is pretty similar across the board, unless you need like a pink. Green, there's definitely obviously different kinds of greens, like more of a slimy green compared to a like this. It's more like a forest green, right? What else would you need? I cannot remember what else. Purple. Orange, yellows are all the same. Well, I mean, they're not all the same, but I mean, that's all you really need. Anyways, I do, like I said, I recommend markers, but I recommend markers and colored pencil, but crayon's completely fine. Let me speed right through this and go to the variant so you can just kind of watch me color this in fast form. But thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Merry Christmas, and stick around for the color. Don't forget to check out the cool links in the description. I put entire full lessons in there, and I'll see you soon.